Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Today, I tell you the story of Isabella from Miami. Beautiful lady that came to me with this beautiful rug and another rug to clean from Yorkie. The Yorkie pee here and the Yorkie pee here from the two sides of me. And Mrs. Isabella, without knowing, she went to the pet store and she asked the salesman that what did he know about pet pee-pee removal. Nothing. He's just a salesman. So she came to him and she asked, I have a Yorkie, it's a beautiful dog, and the dog pee on the rug. So he grabbed one of the cleaning products. He said, everybody using this cleaning product, you should use it. It's great. Okay. How much? Whatever. She paid. Fuck. She took it home. And the dog pee, and she using the product. The dog pee, and she using the product. The dog pee, she using the product. How she using the product? Very simple. The dog pee, she taking the cleaning product, spray good, take a towel, put it on it. Done. The product released a beautiful aroma of vanilla, and she smelled a vanilla, and she said, I love vanilla, very good. 2 weeks later, now she starts smelling a pee-pee vanilla. Till it came overwhelming, the smell of the pee-pee vanilla. She cannot take it anymore. She went on the internet, she searched the internet, she typed Oriental rug, urine odor removal, and here is my Google, put me on the top because I have more than 100 5-star reviews. So Elizabeth read all my reviews. She decided to give me the rug. She called me. She delivered the rug to the warehouse. She's going to be here shortly. So she delivered the rug to my warehouse. It smelled pee-pee vanilla. I put the rug on my vacuum floor. You will see the process. Just type Isabella Oriental rug cleaning process, and you will see it. Is the Yorkie going to pee again on the rug? Yes. The question is, why my Yorkie pee on the rug? Why? Very simple. The Yorkie, the Shih Tzu Maltese dog pee on the Oriental rug because it is absorbing material. The dog pee on the grass, not on the road, not on the cement, because if he's going to pee on the cement, the pee-pee is going to splash on him and he have to lick his leg from the pee-pee. And he didn't like it. But if the dog pee on the grass, the dirt absorb it right away. So the dog know that. He feel that if he will pee here, it will be absorbed down and he don't have to lick his leg from it. This is the reason if you're putting a rug and you're having tile, the dog is not going to pee on a tile. He's going to pee on the rug. The rug is absorbing material. What can you do if the dog will pee on the rug? I have my other video over there. How to remove dog pee-pee from your Oriental rug. Thank you very much. My name is Meir Martin. I am the owner of PetPeePee. You have a beautiful day.